dark, the whole family loses sleep. You could use a nightlight, but here's something that's fun. Give them a pillow that lights up. It's the Bright Light Pillow. It's a real pillow that lights up. It's comfy, it's bright, it's even smart. Here's why. Just tap the Bright Light Pillow to turn it on. Its 24 LED lights provide soothing, perfect light.
Do it again, Bubba.
Minutes. It automatically shuts itself off. The Bright Light Pillow's smart design will provide hundreds of hours and just 3 AA batteries. Bright Light Pillow's quality LED lights are guaranteed not to burn out and give off no heat. Your Bright Light Pillow changes colors automatically from red, blue, white,
Do it again.
yellow. It's a light show and a pillow. And you never
Okay, I think she's through messing with you now.